This is a ADempiere ERP system, version 3.4.2, and this is a demonstration how to make sales order from quotation. From left side on this ERP system, I can set up quote to invoice. Trying to open sales order pod folder and then sales order. Sales order in this example will created from quotation. I will set up a new record, add a new record, and then I will set organization. Then I will change this post order to quotation, and then I can optionally change this date as date order, then the date promised is 8 and 9 October. I will select business partner. Before all of this process I was set up vendors, customers, and etc. Now I need to set up warehouses, and then I need to add order line. I need to see this. I need to set up and these options. So order line will set up as show. I can select products from all products. This is garden admin products selected by default ADempiere installation, but before any implementation of ERP system, it could be set up from files you have in workspace, etc. In some warehouses, etc. Now I'll set up my order into status prepare, and it's most important to see this document status be in progress, and this can be do clicking this confirmation of prepare of these documents. So ADempiere then see this option, and now I can start set up a quote convert process. In quote convert process, I created a quotation. It can be shown in order select list, and standard order is my desired final document. I want to convert this quotation to this standard order, and with the start button, this process have message that is convert and completed. Now next I need to create this select order. I need to change to status complete before I run process shipment from sales order. And this is also sales order exists in this old 3.4.2 ERP system ADempiere, but this system works very good, and it's this ERP system is easy system with approximately 500 tables into database, and with the Java code, and is very easy to change to understand how this ERP work. Now this document is in status complete, and before I run this start run process shipments, I need to select all completed orders. Now I want to start this process generate shipment. This process exists in old version 3.4.2, 3.5, 3.6, but in newer version of ADempiere exists in some shipment customer, when some users and managers of ERP system can select from lists, etc. But it's not so easy, and as this shown all the version of creating a shipment from orders. Now I will select a business partner, and then when business partner is selected, the Cascade Select list show me the orders, and when I start button this start, it's a message that generate and pre-shipment from order is completed. I can print shipment, and I can see in PDF how it looks like. I can download the shipment, etc. Next, what can be created with ADempiere 342 system, old system, is invoice, and finally accounting. Every invoice have accounts in general ledger. Now I will create the invoice from a shipment. This is next step, very easy. From left side, I will open this sales invoice, exist invoice inquiry for custom report, but I will use sales invoice. Sales invoice is from left side, and I will use this process generate invoice. This is a process, but before that I need to set up calendar year and period. As you can see, ADempiere is last year 208. I will now create it 219 and 220 year, and periods: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, etc. It's important to before run creating invoice to have these periods, because of that process transform quotation to sales order cannot be completed before calendar period, and invoice cannot be completed and posted in accounting before server run process. And now I will set up and in general rules server accounting processor to set up processor in hour, frequency type 1 hour, and frequency 1. So after that, accounting can be created and invoice can be created and accounting can be created too. And now I will show you how invoice can be created, same as shipment, PDF, etc. This is organization, HQ, order. This is number of order I created from quotation, and this is business partner. Now I click a button start and created this confirm, and the time when it is happened, and this is a print invoice in PDF. So invoice is created, and then a post account element is created to in general ledger. This is a simple shown how ADempiere 342 works in first web ZK web user interface on the web, and can be run from tablets, mobile phones, computers, etc.